In this short video, I will tell you that how you can easily fix lag on Roblox on your iPhone. So that's quite simple and interesting. But before starting the tutorial, make sure that you have liked the video and you have subscribed to my channel. Thank you. And make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make any mistake. So first of all, you will have to go to the settings. Then scroll down and go to general. Now you will have to click on iPhone storage. And once you are on this page, you will have to scroll down until you find Roblox. Now once you found it, simply click on it, and here you will find an option of offload application. You will simply have to click on offload application, and then you will have to reinstall it. Basically it will delete all the corrupted and cache files of Roblox application that is causing lag in your gameplay. So that's how you can easily fix lag on Roblox in your iPhone. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe.